Here is our first example. There's two different appliance stores, and there's store 1 and store 2. One has a commission 9% of sales. Bonus if you sell over $50,000 worth of stuff a month. And the bonus is an amount of money paid to an employee as a reward. Store 2 just gives you $590 salary plus a commission of 3% on all your sales. So Tyler is looking for a sales job. He wants to calculate his weekly gross pay at each job. He thinks he's going to have about $17,000 in sales. And then we're going to look at what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of each one. So the first one has a higher commission. So if he sells, here's store 1, $16,975, 9% of that will be his salary. So he's going to make $1,527.75 just based on that commission. At store 2, his commission is less. It's only 3% because he also gets a salary. So if we figure out what 3% of his sales are, he makes $500 in commissions plus his salary, which is $590. Means his total salary here is $1,099.25. So if we just base it on these two numbers, well, if we just base it on numbers, he should work at store 1 because he's going to make $500 more every week, or is this?
This is every week.
This is every week.
That's what you should do.
Okay.
If you're selling snowmen and it's summer, you're not getting very much.
That's right. Certain things sell better in certain months. Christmas is a good time to sell things because more people are buying things. January is not a good time to sell things because everybody's out of money and they're not going to be buying anything.
No, Remembrance Day is a good time because everyone goes Christmas shopping before then.
So here on the next, at the bottom of the page, on the bottom of the page, here are some advantages and disadvantages.
Christmas present last month.
Right?
I don't know.
There's the advantage of the 9% because if you sell more, you can make a lot more. He isn't tied down to working a certain amount. It says here he can work as many hours as he chooses, but if he doesn't sell anything, he's not going to make any money. And that is a negative because you're not guaranteed any money. If he goes through a whole month and doesn't sell anything, he's not going to make anything. And he might have to work longer in order to make the money he needs. So if he starts not selling it, he'll feel pressure to just keep working and working. Whereas the salary one, at least he has a certain amount every month, even if he doesn't sell anything.
So jobs are hard to choose.
So you have to consider those things and find out what works best for you if you decide to go into something that is sales related.
I'm just going to military. I'm getting paid for it.
Okay, so try these. Try this one.